Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Many of you know how to crinkle paper to create a sumi landscape. And the common things that we usually use for crinkle paper would be to create snow mountains, or we can also create foliage and different kind of trees, right? And in this upcoming workshop, what I will show you is also the crinkling technique, but I will show you how to use the crinkling technique and besides picking up rocks to actually see waterfalls. I think, having waterfalls in the landscape of the crinkle paper rocks is quite majestic. So in this upcoming workshop, I'll show you different ways, different color combinations, and things that I would use to create this very interesting, almost fantasy-like landscape that has crinkle paper rocks, but also see the waterfalls that come through it. So I hope you will join me in this a little bit creative, not as traditional sumi landscape workshop in crinkle paper and waterfall. Hope to see you in my workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.